Previously on our deep dive Astroid series, we looked at the relationship between different Astroid templates and Joomla menus. This time around, we are going to be focusing on how the main Joomla menu works hand in hand with Astroid's very own built-in header section. Spoiler alert, the header section includes, amongst other things, options for displaying Joomla menus. In the Joomla admin area, let's first unpublish the mega menu because it's just too much visual clutter at the moment. Let's also navigate to a page that displays two menus. It is important to realize that the menu at the top of all pages is one and the same as the menu on the right-hand side. To hammer our point home here, let's edit the name of a specific menu item, such as blog. This way we can observe exactly what happens in the front end. It is pretty apparent that we are looking at one and the same menu, just published to different positions. This begs the question, how exactly is this working? We are going to navigate to the Astroid backend, System, Site Templates, and the Astroid Template.02 home page flavor of our template. We click on Template Options. In the Astroid admin menu on the left-hand side, we notice that below the basic settings, we have an item called Header. Let's disable this first, save and refresh the front end, and observe what is happening. Let's enable the header again and try a couple of different settings. So for example, changing the header mode, saving of course, and in the logo options section here, let's change the text, adding something like my site here. Save and refresh, and check the front end again. There are many more options in here, and we are very much only scratching the surface at this point. Before returning to the Joomla backend, let's make a mental note of a couple of things. First, the changes that we are making to the header here only affect the home page. If we navigate to the other pages, we see that the header remains unchanged. This is of course related to the assignment of different flavors of templates to different menu items. Any changes made to the home flavor affect the home page only, and any changes made to the default flavor affect other pages whilst not affecting the home page. This time around, we are navigating to the Astroid Template.02 default section. Let's also note that the header section has by default a module position called Astroid Header. It can be changed to other positions, such as sidebar right, save and refresh, and check the front end again. Save and check out the front end. And one last thing, there is an option to select a site menu. And here we see that the main menu is selected and there are currently no other alternatives. This is the site's default menu that Astroid is always looking out for and will attempt to display for us in the header section. If we had multiple menus available on this site, this is where we could swap them out. In the Joomla backend, we navigate to the Content section. Then, Site Modules and look for menus, specifically the Main Menu module. And normally we use a menu module like this to take complete control of where our Joomla menu turns up on our site. And while strictly speaking, this is still pretty much the case on all pages, except of course the home page, there is obviously something else coming into play here. And this, of course, is Astroid. Just staying in Joomla for a little bit here. Let's just check out the main menu module and some of the settings in more detail. And we notice that the position is set to sidebar right. And we also notice that the menu assignment section is set to all pages. Now, of course, the home page is still the elephant in the room, and we will get to this exception very, very soon, I promise. In short, we can unpublish this version of the menu, published in the sidebar right position, either on all pages or a selection of pages. And indeed, we could, for example, actually set the main default menu to have a default position of none. And whilst sure enough in these scenarios it will disappear from the sidebar right position, it will still be up at the top of the page in the Astroid Header position. As banal as it might sound, just because the main default menu is unpublished or set to a module position, so for example none, does not mean that it no longer exists. It is time to return one more time to the Astroid backend. This time around, we are navigating to the Astroid Template.02 default section. We go to Template Options, and rather than going to the Header section, we are going to take our first look at the Layout section. This is the drag and drop layout builder, which is pretty much at the heart of Astroid. Here we have another layer of access for the header. We can disable it, save, and refresh the front end. And of course, we see that the menu in the header position is now missing from all of our pages, apart, of course, from the home page. Let's switch the header back on and save. Scrolling down in the layout section, we see more sections set up for us with different module positions, including the sidebars left and right. Let's disable the sidebar right, save, and check out the front end. Let's switch it back on, save and refresh. Having multiple templates on a site is not a requirement. It is just one way of taking more control of a site's layout. Finally, let's eyeball the difference between the layout section in the Astroid Template.02 default template, which we are currently in, and the Astroid Template.02 homepage template. Starting with the Astroid Template.02 default flavor, we notice in the Layout Content section, we have sidebars which we can use to place modules, including, of course, menus. By contrast, in the Astroid Template.02 homepage template, in the Layout section, and specifically in the Layout Content section, there are no columns displaying modules in the sidebars. This is of course the explanation for why the standard Joomla main menu does not display on the home page, despite being set to all pages in the Joomla backend. At the end of the day, there are indeed endless combinations for combining templates, menu items, and layouts in combination with modules. A lot of this boils down to what is assigned to what. Next up, we'll be looking at the layout section of Astroid in more detail.